Okay, we're coming down toward the end of our piece here. Now, since this is the first project, we're going to come up here to the eyes, and we're going to make a little eyebrow here. We just kind of come up here. See how I just draw that little eyebrow up there? And I'm going to cut into that, and then I'm just going to take a little wood off right in there. There we go. I'm going to do the same thing here. Cut into that. Make a little eyebrow right there, okay? See what we did? Then I'm going to take, and all I'm going to do right in here is we're just going to cut across here, and we're going to make our eyes. All it is like a little V cut. See? Just like a little V cut. You just come across here, kind of at a triangle. You cut down, and you make a little V cut. For the eyes. Make a little V cut for the eyes. Make a little bit deeper. Take your pencil. Cut this in a little bit deeper. Take your pencil. There you go. Now, I'm going to bring that nose just kind of up a little bit. I'm just going to shape that nose a little bit. It's standing out just a little bit too far. I'm going to shape that nose just like that. Cut in here more like a triangle. Just like a little triangle is what it is. Bring that nose up just a little bit like that. Oop. And we're starting to look good. I tell you what, we're really starting to look good on this project now. Rounding it off a little bit where that band is. Now, I'm going to take my V-tool, and if you're gonna do a three-dimensional project, you're going to have to get you a V-tool, okay? You're going to have to get you one. That's all there is to it to make hair. You're going to get you a V-tool, and we're going to make this hair, okay? And the V-tool, all it does is you just make the hair with it. Let's see. Got away from the grain there. See how it makes the hair? Come in here. Now he braided his, but I like the hair just like this. See that? I like the hair just to hang down like that. Just like that, see? Same thing over here. But if you're gonna carve three-dimensional, you need to talk to your Scoutmaster about getting a V-tool, because it is just superb for. Sorry.
I hate this basswood I got. I had an old piece of basswood, and I think it's some of that southern basswood. It's not, and it's got a tough smell to it. It's not. I don't think it's a piece. No, it's not a piece from Hinkle. Their basswood's great. Okay. Well, I tell you what, that's starting to look real good. Yeah, I've got some tough basswood here. I tell you what, I'm really having a time with it. Now you probably gonna get better basswood. It was an old piece I had. I'll learn. Stay with that Hinkle basswood. I'll tell you what. That's the manufacturer I get it from. And I tell you what, he's got some that northern basswood is a good basswood. I'll tell you. Even though I'm from the south, you know. Okay, that's looking good. Now he didn't do this to his feather. Come in here. Put that in there. You just go around it with your feed tool. So often the grain changes so much when you get down to these areas here. Anyway. Okay. Now, what I thought we'd do, I'm going to try something here. I'm going to do something a little different. Well now he has a little, on here, he has a little, it's going to be painted red in here. It's like the end of the feather, so we're going to go ahead and draw that. And I'm going to draw it on the other side. Okay. We're going to take our knife. We'll cut down, and remove that wood in there. Just a little bit, don't take a whole lot, just a little bit of wood in there. Okay, just like that. I'm going to take this side and do the same thing. Just like that. There we go.